Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. This is the first structure lesson for Base 4. Let's get started. Read the examples below and guess today's lesson. I was about to leave when Ahmad arrived. She looked as if she was about to cry. He sensed that something was about to happen. And I'm sure you have said that the lecture is about be about to. Now, let's learn more about what be about to is. What is the definition for be about to? Be about to means to be going to do something very soon. Or when something is going to happen very soon or in a very short time, we use be about to for it. For example, I was just about to go to bed when he called me. It means only short time remaining for my action when he called me. It seems like she is about to cry. I was about to phone Jawad at work when he walked into the house. The train is about to leave. Hurry up. We are about to start a new project. Now, let's learn about how to use be about to and different tenses. The first one is MR about to. When do we use MR about to? MR about to expresses something which is going to happen very soon in the future. For example, she is about to get fired. It means this action will happen in the future. They are about to open their new showroom. We are about to complete the tasks. He is about to faint. Are you about to complete your book on Civil War? All these examples show future time. It means something will happen in the coming time. Was were about to. Was were about to expresses something which was very close to take place in the past, but it didn't. It means when we want to use be about to in the past tense, instead of are, we use was were. And the meaning for positive structures will be negative. For example, he was about to reveal the secret when Ali entered the room. It means he wanted to do this, but it didn't happen. The meaning is negative if the structure is positive. They were about to leave home when it started to rain. I was about to call him when he himself came by. Were you about to sell the car when I arrived there? And she was about to die when the miracle happened. All these sentences show the actions which did not take place in the past. Now, let's have an exercise together. Use the correct form of to be verb. Number 1 will be done by me. He about to fall down yesterday. We have already learned that when we want to talk about past, we have to use was or were according to the subject. So the to be verb for past we had as was and were. So for he, we use was. He was about to fall down yesterday. And the rest is on you. Great. Now let's have the answers together. My parents about to leave here perhaps in 1 hour. When we say perhaps in 1 hour, it talks about future. In this case, we have to choose one of the to be verbs from is, am, are. So for my parents, I should use are. My parents are about to leave here. Sana and Sameh about to start a new project soon. So soon again talks about future. So for Sana and Sameh, I have to use are. Sana and Sameh are about to start a new project. I about to buy a new flat, but you did not allow me. When we see here we have you did not allow me, it is past, so we have to say I was about to buy a new flat. They about to run away next week. In the question form, we know that to be verbs come to the beginning of the sentence. Number 5. Are they about to run away next week? And this brings us to the end of today's lesson. But remember, there is an exercise you need to do right after watching this video. Stay successful. Thank you very much.